welcome to Event Management course with the course code KIJ4B3 with me, INDRIA DIANITA S.Sos MBA. I'm a lecturer of program study Communication Science in the Communication and School of Communication and Business, TELKOM University. So today we will talk about financial planning of events. Let's start. So the key points for our learning today is first about budget preparation, second is about cash flow, and the third is about cost and revenue. Hopefully, the learning outcomes from this meeting is that you are able to apply the process of financial planning. So, according to Bodin et al. 2006, a budget can be described as a quantified statement of plans, or in other words, the plan is expressed in numerical terms. The budget process includes costing and estimating income, and also include the allocation of financial resources. The budget of an event is used to compare actual cost and revenues with projected cost and revenues. So when we are doing a financial planning, means we are comparing what we are going to spend and what we are going to get with the reality. Okay. So about preparing our budget for event, well, we have to realize that first, the event budget is basically a projection of all income and expenditure relating to the development and delivery of the event. So, to help us manage event finances effectively, it is a good approach to keep a live budget on our computer. For example, we have spreadsheet that we update on a regular basis. These are several budget preparation tips, including first, present your event budget clearly and make sure it is easy to read and interpret. And then you also have to be realistic. Never include funding sources that are unlikely to materialize. And then each and every item of your event income and expenditure should be recorded in your event budget. The complexity of your budget will depend on the size or nature of your event. And of course, you can be conservative, or you should be conservative with regards to ticket income targets. And the last is, please always back up and archive your budget as necessary. So, cash flow is about the importance of the cash that we have in our hand, and how those cash will be spent along our event implementation. So the treasurer or finance officer of the organizing of the event organizer have to ensure that there is a sufficient money or cash money available to pay for the various costs before the deadline of payment. About cost is this is about the prediction, the categorization and allocation of cost. That is what we call costing. This is include fixed cost and variable cost. Fixed costs are costs that are associated with the event that occur no matter how many people come to the event. Variable costs are expenses that purely concern the event and are directly related to the number of people who attend the event, such as food and beverage costs, tickets, etc. Revenue of an event can come from the following source, such as ticket sales, sponsorship, merchandising, advertising, grants, fundraising, and also, of course, the client of the event. Well, that is all the material about financial planning of event. You can also read the references that is stated in this slide. Thank you very much for your attention. We'll see you again. Bye-bye.